Let's find out. The names of different objects that you can see in the living room. Part 2. Now let's have a quick look at our word list for the day. Air conditioner. Air conditioner. Curtains. Curtains. Blinds. Blinds. Television. Television. TV stand. TV stand. Bookshelf. Bookshelf. Cabinet. Cabinet. Paintings. Paintings. Vase, which can also be pronounced as vase. Vase or vase. Wall clock. Wall clock. And lastly, different kinds of decorative items. Yay! And that brings us to the end of this lesson. Now you know the names of so many different objects which you can see in the living room. And for more fun videos like this, be sure to check out the other videos on our channel. You can find the links available in the description box below. See you again tomorrow. Bye-bye for now. And if you like our videos, be sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel, Peach Peanut Poppy.